Okay.
You didn't see Sammy's watch, did you?
No. She will have to come down and... It's not like we won't be in the yard all day.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. It's not, Joseph, it's not like they won't be in the yard all day.
The tunnels, Jake.
Those are tunnels and forts. Is that cool? Look at that. Open it. You want to open it? Should we put together some tunnels and some forts in the living room? All right, this one should be easier because there are no batteries required. We have all of the men type people handling batteries. Merry Christmas! Oh. Yay!
Don't talk bad about
Oh, that was cute.
Are you sneezing?
Oh, here we go.
Christmas sneezing? Yes, Joseph diligently working on the John's batteries.
Oh, boy.
Oh! Joseph got it to work! Yay!
Jake.
Jakey, your best friend. Oh.
You like the green one?
You've been given the official first Christmas shut up. Don't wreck it. What is that, Jake? That's a tent. Holy cow.
Daddy can figure out how to